Hey everyone, Ace8 here with another update on Turscar. Finally updating it to 0.4. What's changed since my last devlog in August, I started revamping the tutorial, is that initiates can attack with flashbangs, the player can throw items, the mini-map has been removed and replaced with predefined arrows on walls. You can set brightness and contrast and mouse speed, and I've added this main menu scenery here to allow you to see that brightness at work. Disabled the music volume because I don't want to get copyright strikes. Also added a mouse sensitivity thing, which special thanks to Gallagher and on Itch for actually pointing that out to me. What else? Oh yeah, footsteps will change with ground material. There's also some bug fixes. Let's get into it. Skip over this. Right. The initiates can attack with a flashbang, which is going to be very similar to the one you can throw at them. Let me just show you that now. This is what it's going to be like. And yes, my tinnitus is very similar. Now, one thing I'm going to mention is that this has a... What was I going to say? If you look directly at it, it's going to be brighter. It lasts longer. Didn't really see it there, but it's the same thing there. You also have throwing knives, which you can collect. And yeah, there's still some rotation issues. Don't worry about those. Smoke bombs, which will block line of sight, but the bots don't really react to them yet, unlike, say, Metal Gear Solid 5, where the NPCs will actually call out smoke bombs even if you've thrown them into a jeep and are driving through an enemy base. I've seen videos of people doing that to cheese the game. It's kind of hilarious, because you basically just turn what should be a very slow and stealthy game into sheer refuge through audacity. There is also the old sock puppets. Let's just throw one. Yep, missed that guy. Now there's no footstep sounds here because I'm standing on grass. If I just go up here and run, then now we have footstep sounds. The bots also have their own, which is a bit hard to pick up probably.
Nothing going on here.
I'm not sure if you can really hear that, but those were my footsteps running down the stairs. You don't want to run.
The preserve of those who are faithful to Turscar.
Yeah, there's not much else to show here without really spoiling anything, so I'll just let you try it yourselves. Let's see. What else do I have? Yeah, there are also some bugs to fix. There was one kind of annoying but hilarious one where the bots would walk backwards in one sector. That probably didn't show up in the last version. And there was also one that kind of broke stealth entirely because the bots would just ignore corpses, thus rendering the game kind of pointless. What was going on there is that the method to calculate how visible they were based on brightness or light settings around them didn't run when they were dead because I disabled physics for that one particular NPC body. So they'd walk right over a fellow spammer's corpse without a care in the world. And I suppose it's kind of fitting that they wouldn't care, but it made the game way too easy. So they'll now react to a corpse like they should have done. And I may change this later so they don't care about some types, or maybe allow the player to pick up the bodies and move them around, drop them elsewhere. It's not the only game that has done that. As for what's next, I don't have a time frame for the next release, but that will include fixes for some of the minor issues I mentioned earlier, maybe a taster of the actual main level. Anyway, I've uploaded this to Itch, so give it a try and let me know what you think. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Slán go fóill.